What's up, guys? Back again with another video here. We are switching out our synthetic cable on the Warren Vantage 2000 ATV UTV winch for the synthetic rope and the smooth Haas style Warren Fairlead. Reason being is I've had my winch for a couple years on my Yamaha Kodiak 450, and this is the mount. As you can see, it's all bent. This is actually the bottom. I use this for plowing my driveway. I have a Moose utility plow, and there's a lot of straight up and down pulling. You know, and it's obviously got the roller, it's got the rollers on here, which are, you know, so there's a bearing surface for the winch cable, but it's eating this mount up. It really snow plowing with this thing really beats up the cable. The last like 8 inches, or the first like 8 inches of cable on there, just get absolutely kinked like crazy, and then it's really hard to pull the rest of the winch cable out. So we're going to synthetic. I use it for ice fishing too, and occasionally use it to pull other people out, pull myself out, what have you. So we're gonna try synthetic. The other nice thing is I accidentally ordered the wrong size rope. I'm not gonna return it though, because I'm gonna throw this in my in the storage on my ATV, and that way, you know, 50 feet is the standard amount of cable or rope in this case, but this doesn't hardly weigh anything, and to have it in the kit in case, you know, that tree or whatever you need to pull yourself out is only another 50 feet away, this might be super nice to have. So I bought the Warren branded Fairlead to do the replacement, but I didn't buy the whole kit, because the Warren kit was like $150, and it's no different than, from what I could tell, this is just some cheap Chinese, it's called Top Your Target, TYT, and this came with a winch hook, you know, one of these cheap straps. I'm probably just reuse the Warren one, just because I don't know, this is kind of weird. I don't know why I would want it to say Happy Landings or Happy Landing, but probably keep the Warren one. Comes with the a rubber stopper, you know, which is nice. That my old setup direct from Warren did not have that, so that's kind of cool. And then it comes with this forged hook. This is the old Warren forged hook that came with the winch. Obviously it's been used, but, and I kind of bent the tab here. Still works fine. I might put this back on just because this thing is kind of, I mean, it looks like it's really sturdy, and it's powder coated so it won't rust, hopefully, but it's really big, and it might look kind of weird on the front of an ATV. It might look okay on the front of a truck, but looks like a little bit much, so we'll see. It doesn't really matter which one we use, but I kept the old Warren one just in case I did want to reuse that. Again, this is 3/16 cable, and this is 1/4 inch. So I was going to use this one, but it's a little bit thicker than the 3/16 cable that came on the winch from Warren, so we'll make this the extended extension piece, and then we'll spool this up on the drum. As far as the winch goes, the winch has been awesome so far, and it's super easy to take off the old Fairlead. This one came with new hardware, so I'm not going to reuse the old stuff. Put this right on. New Haas style Fairlead. Took this one off and took, you know, the rollers off with it. But yeah, so we'll get it on the drum, show you what it looks like. We'll pull something with it, or probably not pull anything, but we'll wind it in, and then probably give you guys an update after the ice fishing season and let you know how it worked.